Good morning, beautiful people. My name's Jo, and this class is a full body wake up to settle the mind and to start your day with a little bit more presence. So as we move through the class, I will invite you to notice things like your posture, your breath, and certain feelings. And these are things that you can return to throughout your day, even without your mat. So let's begin lying down on our backs. So draw your knees into your chest to begin with. Make sure the back of your neck is beautifully long. So you can gently tuck your chin towards your chest. Feel the back of the neck sinking down into the mat. And then at the same time, feel your hips rolling back down onto the mat. So you feel a beautiful stretch through the whole of the back of the spine. Breathe deep into your belly and connect to your breath. I invite you to close your eyes if it helps to feel into the body, or find a point on the ceiling where you can just focus your gaze. Breathe into the belly. Notice your breath. Notice the sensations along your spine, connecting to the mat beneath you. Notice the hips loosening up, the shoulders away from the ears. Maybe roll the neck from right to left if you feel any tension in the sides of your neck. Extend your left leg along the mat. Keep your right knee hugged in towards your chest. You can interlace your fingers over your knee and gently pull the knee towards the chest. Feel the belly connecting to the thigh. Then using your left hand on your right knee, take the knee over towards the left-hand side, and you can open your right arm out into a little T along the mat. Feeling that gentle twist, nothing too deep here, first thing in the morning, just waking up the body. So even if you move just a couple of centimeters, it's beautiful. Then breathe into that twist. Breathe into that right side of your rib cage as it opens. Breathe into the lower back. Take one more deep breath here. And as you exhale, draw the knee back into the chest. Then release your right leg along the floor and bring your left knee in. You can interlace both hands over the knee to begin with and gently pull the knee towards the chest. Again, focus on the back of your neck. See if your chin needs to come back in a little to make sure that the back of the neck is as long as it possibly can be along the mat. Then with your right hand, hold onto your left knee and gently cross the knee over the body and take your twist. The left hand can reach out into that T. Breathing into the left side of the rib cage here. Experiencing the twist and the sensations in the lower and the middle back. Inhale here. And exhale, rolling back onto your back. Bring the knee into the chest one more time and extend the legs out. Take a moment here to experience the sensation in your hips. You've just compressed the hips by pulling the knee into the chest. So experience that freedom. Taking your breath back deep into the body. Give yourself one last hug with both knees. You can take both arms over your knees if you would like to, holding onto the elbows, or if it's more comfortable for you, holding onto the knees here. Feel the body close to itself. You can even bring the forehead towards the knees and curling into a small ball if that feels good for you right now. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, let it go. The feet can return back onto the mat and roll onto one side, whichever side feels comfortable to you, and gently push yourself up into your cross-legged position. If cross-legged feels uncomfortable for you, you can always sit on your knees or even on a chair. You can put cushions underneath yourself if that also feels a little bit more comfortable. And then really notice your sit bones down into the ground. So this is your first moment to come back to a sensation and a feeling. You can take this with you throughout your day. Feel the ground beneath you. So whatever body part is touching the floor, just take your awareness there. Feel the sensation. Maybe it's your feet if you're sitting. Maybe it's your ankles or your sit bones if you're on the floor. Your thighs. And feel the weight of your body pushing down into the earth. Working into our necks, tip your right ear to your right shoulder, feeling the sensation down the left side of your neck. And then you can turn your chin and your nose down towards your armpit and keep that rolling sensation over so your nose and your chin come to your left armpit before you open your nose back to the front, and now your left ear is close to your left shoulder, feeling the stretch down the right side. And then reverse. Nose and chin to left shoulder, roll through the back of the neck, nose and chin to right shoulder, ear to right shoulder. And then continue with these little half moon movements. Find your breath. Exhale as you roll the head down. Inhale as the ear comes over towards the shoulder. Now, using this movement, see if there's any point that feels a little bit sticky. Take your attention there and maybe just hold there for a few seconds, a few breaths. See if that tension can release on your exhale, and then continue with your movement. Maybe there's another movement elsewhere that you want to hold. Couple of breaths. See if that tension releases. And continue. So training your body to listen to what it needs. Listen to those points that need a little bit more attention, a little bit more awareness and breath. 2 more breaths in whichever position you are in. And then we all meet in the middle. Draw the chin back up. Stacking the head back on top of your shoulders. The same with our shoulders now. So taking the hands to reach both of your shoulders. Your elbows are drawing big circles forward, around and back. Forward, around and back. Use your breath. Inhale up. Exhale back. Inhale up. Exhale back. Beautiful. And again, if there's a point that needs a little bit more attention, maybe a little side stretch. Take that time. Use your breath and tune into what your body needs right now. Make the movement yours. And when you're ready, you can reverse that movement. So the shoulders inhale backwards. Exhale forwards, pairing the breath to your movements, connecting deeply to your body. What does your body need? Does it need a little bit of a stretch here? Does it need a little bit of a stretch here? Maybe there's a yawn or a sigh that wants to come out. Let it go. 2 more breaths wherever you are. Beautiful. And then we all meet with our elbows high up into the sky. Take a deep breath in. You could draw the shoulders up towards your ears, and on your exhale, open your mouth, sigh it out, and let everything drop. Then take a moment. See how your shoulders feel. See how your neck feels. You can soften your eyes closed if that feels comfortable for you right now, or take a focus point. It can be on the floor or on the horizon, just to keep your gaze still so that you can take all of your attention into how your neck feels, your shoulders feel. Maybe you have a little bit more space to breathe. And again, this feeling can come back into your day whenever you need it. Connecting to your body, connecting to your breath. Gently moving on to all fours. So taking the hands underneath your shoulders and your knees are underneath your hips. Engage your abdominals to begin with. Feel the spine long. So from the crown of your head through to your tailbone, you're drawing a beautiful straight line. When you're ready, on your inhale, the tailbone tips up to the sky, your belly down towards your mat. Open up your chest, lift your chin, and come into your cow pose. As you exhale, the belly sucks in and you round your spine up to the sky. Tuck the chin, tuck the tailbone, cat. Inhale up. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the chin. And again, I invite you to find which point in this cat and cow feels a little bit sticky, or maybe the point that feels really good and you just want a few more moments in that position. So again, tune into your intuition, tune into what your body needs. If your body needs a little bit more motion, maybe this circular pattern, you can take whichever movement feels good for you. Keep the breath flowing. If a traditional, simple cat and cow feels good for you right now, please do so. If your body's asking for a little bit more funky movement, please take it. 2 more breaths. And when you're ready, we all meet back in our neutral position. So again, the belly is gently tucked in, the elbows are soft, the back of the neck is lifted. Your right leg reaches out behind you. If this is where you would like to stay, please do so. If you would like to include your left arm, you can reach your left arm out. So your right leg and your left arm are reaching in opposite directions. Now feel the fingertips pulling one way, the toes pulling the other. Feel the strength. Exhale, draw the elbow and the knee to each other. Inhale, reach everything out and find that long line. Exhale, elbow and knee, warming up the core, activating through the body, waking the body up. Exhale, join. Inhale, reach. Just one more. Exhale, join. Inhale, reach. Take your left hand back down to the mat. Take your right toes down to the mat. Take your left foot and swing it out behind you. Roll onto the left hand and open the right arm up towards the sky. You are in your modified side plank. So feel the right side of the body lengthening from the heel of the right foot all the way up to the crown of the head. And if you'd like to lengthen even further, take the right arm over. Now feel the pull from the right fingertips to the right toes. Breathe in deep here. And exhale, the right hand comes back to the mat. Your little kickstand of a left foot comes back parallel. Join the knees down to the floor. Left side. Let's begin. Left leg extends out behind you. If you'd like to stay here, just focus on moving the leg. If you'd like to reach the right arm out, let's find that balancing pose. Feel the right fingertips reach. Feel the left toes reach. The spine is long. Exhale, elbow and knee join. Inhale, you lengthen through your spine. Exhale, activate your core. Pull your stomach muscles in. Inhale, reach out. Exhale. Inhale, find that pull. Here's your last one. Exhale. Inhale, reach. Take your right hand down. Your left toes come onto the floor. Your right foot this time kicks out behind you. Roll onto your right hand and your left arm reaches up towards the sky. Feel that left foot pulling down into the floor. Open up the chest, breathe into that beautiful space. And if you would like to extend the left arm over and feel the pull from fingertips to your toes, breathe here. Feel that beautiful stretch down the left side of the body. Inhale. And as you exhale, roll back to the mat. Left hand comes down, right foot swings back round and join both knees onto the mat. Joining the toes together and opening your knees up as wide as feels good for you right now. Sitting your hips back on your heels, coming into your child's pose. So the fingertips can reach out in front of you and the crown of the head comes down onto the mat. As you exhale, sink the hips down towards your heels and the armpits and the chest sink down towards the mat. This is a pose that you can come back to throughout your day. You do not need your mat. Just a space where you can come back to yourself. Maybe when the day has become a little bit too stressful, there's been an overwhelming moment, and you can just take this time to come back to you. Closing off the world around you and just experiencing the sensations in your body, your breath. Two more breaths. See if those hips can sink a little closer to the heels, the armpits a little further down to the mat. And slowly using your hands, walk back in, pushing into the floor to bring your body up. Coming into a kneeling position. If your knees are a little bit sensitive, you can roll your mat up just to pad the knees, or you can also put a cushion between your hips and your heels to give yourself that little bit more comfort. So we finished the class with our breath called Bastrika. This is the bellows breath. This is a fantastic breath that you can take throughout your day and use wherever you are to give yourself that boost of energy, a bit of mental clarity to get you through the day. So we're simply inhaling and exhaling through the nose. The belly fills up on the inhale and the belly pulls in and empties on the exhale. We will do 10 breaths like that. On our 11th breath, we inhale and hold the air in. We pause just for a few seconds, remaining comfortable. Feeling the sensations through our body. We then exhale through the mouth, let all the air out. And again, a pause with all the air out, just for a couple of seconds. Notice the sensations until we return to a normal breathing pattern. Let's begin. Inhale, hold, exhale all the air out, hold the air out, and breathe normally. I invite you to find a focus point in front of you. Gazing gently at that focus point and take all of your attention into how your body feels. Simply noticing, no need to judge, no need to question, just notice how you feel. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. I hope you feel a little bit more alive in your body, a little bit more focused in your mind, and ready to take these feelings and sensations into your day whenever you need them. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this class, please subscribe for more short practices to calm a busy mind.